Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Now I am going to explain the title Offline Risk Assessment of Cloud Service Providers. Abstract. The acceptance of the cloud as an infrastructure to host applications is a growing trend. Facilitating and hosting applications on the cloud reduces support and maintenance costs. However, concerns about the security of these applications is one of the primary reasons organizations avoid complete adaptation of cloud services. Although cloud service providers offer standard security, they don't address security with respect to applications security requirements. This article proposes an offline risk assessment framework to evaluate the security offered by a cloud service provider from the perspective of an application to be migrated to it. Once the most secure cloud service provider is identified for a given application, the proposed framework performs a cost-benefit trade-off analysis in terms of the security dispensed and service cost to support the formation of an ideal cloud migration plan. Introduction. In this paper, we are select any one of the cloud service using the cloud service providers. The user give the request to access the cloud service providers. Then the service requests are mapped and stored into the service repository. If any risk occurs in this time of accessing the cloud service providers, metering control will monitor the risk time. Otherwise, the cloud service will provide the response to the requested user. Now I am going to explain the flowchart diagram. First of all, we start the project and then login or registration. If you are a new user, then you have to register your details. Otherwise, you have to log in, and then service request. The service requests are stored into the service repository, and then the user select any one of the cloud service providers and then access the service. And then metering control. If any risk occurs, the metering control report the risk and then get the service. The risk, if any risk occurs, the metering control report the risk. Otherwise, you have to get the service. Now I am going to explain how to run the program. First of all, you are a registered user, then you have to give the username and password, then login. Otherwise, you have to register your details. So, give the details: first name, and then last name, email, and then username, and then password. Then submit your details. Registration successful, please login. Then go to login, give the username and then password, then login. Select any one of the features as audio, video, and then conversion. I have to select the audio feature. Then select the cloud service providers. I have to select the cloud service provider 1. Again select the service and then audio, play the audios, and the total time and total cost will be calculated. And then I have to choose another service, video, and then total time and cost will be calculated. And then select another service, conversion, and then cloud service selection is temperature conversion, currency conversion, and metric conversions. I want to select temperature conversion, the Fahrenheit to Celsius. Have to enter the values, convert, and then Celsius value, Fahrenheit value is converted into Celsius value. The total time and total cost will be displayed. And I have to select another cloud service provider and then select audio. The risk will be occurred, so select another cloud service. Then the cloud service 2, and then audio, it will be played. The total time and cost will be displayed. And view the table. This is the cloud service ranking table. This is the table for the cloud service ranking, the cloud service providers, and then audio service, video service, and conversion service, and the status. And also view the service tables. This the audio service, I have to use the audio service, and then time will be 20, and then cost will be 40. And then thank you.